In this example, we have to show that points A, B and C are collinears when their position vectors are given. Okay. So now, position vector of A is equal to -2 vector A followed by 3 vector B followed by 5 vector C. Position vector of B is equal to vector A followed by twice of vector B followed by thrice of vector C. Position vector of C is equal to 7 times vector A followed by negative of vector C. So these are the 3 position vectors given to us. Now vector AB is equal to, now for this part we can take any 2 pairs. I will tell you. Now vector AB is what? Position vector of B minus position vector of A. Now position vector of B, minus two A. Now this is equal to 3A minus B and minus 2C. 3 times vector A, negative of vector B and negative of 2 vector C. So we are having vector AB is equal to first thing. Now BC, position vector of C minus position vector of B. So now this will become vector C, position vector of C and position vector of B. Seven A and A, this becomes 6A. Vector BC is equal to, if we are taking 2 common, we are having now this is the result. Now we have got it, AB is equal to 2 times vector BC. comparing vector AB is equal to lambda vector BC, where lambda is what? 2, a scalar quantity. Therefore, vector AB and vector BC are parallel. Okay. Second thing, since B is on both the vectors, on both the vectors AB, BC, here B is common. Okay, since B is on both the vectors AB, BC along the same line, hence A, B, C are collinear. Okay, so this was what we have to prove it. Now, what else we can do it? You can also find. Now I took what? I took one pair, that was AB and BC. So you can take it AC is equal to lambda BC. We can take it AC, here C is common. We can take it BC is equal to lambda AB, AC, sorry. So like this, one of the points should be common, then we can calculate like this one. If you calculate like this one, then also you will be getting the desired result, means we will be getting some quantity lambda and both the vectors, they will be equal. Okay, sorry, it will be vectors. So like this we can go for other options also.